Hi guys, in this video we are going to see the amazing facts about Linux. It means that where we can use Linux and we didn't know about it, that yes, we are using Linux at this point as well. So without wasting time, let's continue to our video. Everybody who is doing engineering, who wants to make career in IT, everybody is saying like that I want to make career in AI and ML. So what is that? So artificial intelligence and machine learning, it's widely growing a career field. Everybody is trying to use Linux to improvise its qualities and improvise AI itself. AI and ML uses framework like TensorFlow, PyTorch, like that, and to use such a frameworks, learn Linux in order to make career in this machine learning. And every machine learning is mostly using this Linux platform to build their applications and the web applications. The second amazing fact is Linux we can use in, or Linux is widely used in in-car infotainment systems. Inside the car, LCDs, dashboards, automation, you are getting new features added in the other system as well. You are connecting your mobile to the car infotainment system, and all you are receiving, you can just view all that car's information, messages, etc. on the dashboard. So all these are made up with the help of the Linux only. The third amazing fact is Linux we are using in space exploration, like NASA, ISRO. This organization uses the Linux to build their platform or the whatever application they are launching, to the monitor aspects and everything. They are using Linux base only. The fourth one is the supercomputers. The 99% of supercomputers uses the Linux operating system or the Linux kernel because of its high availability, sustainability, and the minimum risk of the security, minimum risk of the attack or the hackers, because it's very secure and you can develop any program or whatever you are just thinking. You just need to develop it with the Linux, and yes, you are there, your result will be there. So supercomputers are mostly working on the Linux platforms. The next one, and the one of the fastest growing, is robotics. In robotics we are using this Linux only. We are using the semiconductors or the some of the controllers, microcontroller chips in the robotics. Then how we can use this Linux platform? So most of the RTOS system, that is real-time operating systems, and the passive systems as well, we are using Linux base as a kernel or the base operating system to work all these components or the robots. We can simply say that the small work which is done by the any electronic component, that is robot, and every robot is using the Linux operating system or the Linux kernel. The next one is digital art and animation. What does it mean? Like if you are viewing the very high definition display quality, like water drop is there and its clarity, and it was amazing, really amazing. So most of them was designed with the coding, and this coding like Blender and the rendering, everything is done with the help of the Linux only. For such a kind of applications also, Linux platform is the best platform. The next one is the home automation. Like if you want to automate your fan, your lights, and your refrigerator, so all are working with the Linux kernel, and their base is Linux only. Simple Raspberry Pi board is there, and with the help of that board we can control all these things, and yes, it is again uses the Linux kernel. Now again, one of the mostly used feature is penetration testing and the hacking purpose. We can say even for the security purpose as well, because the Kali Linux is the one of the most important operating system which is used by the hacker and the cyber security guys to just prevent this hacking and everything. So this platform is very important for as per the security aspects. Again, for the data recovery we can use the Linux. If Windows system get corrupted, then there is a less chances to recover it. You might see the blue screen error on your laptop or the desktop, and you have to recover it with the help of the pen drive or the CD which contains that operating system. But in case of Linux, we can just easily recover its data, its operating system, and everything. We just need to perform some commands over there, and yes, we will get our data, our operating system, everything get back. For the music production platform, Linux is also used in movies or the theaters where music compositions it comes in scenario. They are using Linux Multimedia Studio. Like you are editing any application with the Mac OS by using the Final Cut Pro, or editing on the Windows by using the Adobe Premiere Pro. Like that, if you want to compose your music and the music related task, then there is a one application Linux Multimedia Studio, and it is widely used for this kind of production environment or this kind of activities. The next one is in scientific research and the healthcare devices, medical field as well. They are using Linux platform to build such application like ECG, 2D echo, sonography, and every application, every machine, that MRI also, they have a circuit board inside that, and it is made up of the Linux kernel. Again, we can use Linux, or Linux is already being used in air traffic control, like whatever application they are using it. Because why we are using this at such a critical position? Because it's a scalability, it's reliability, it's real-time response as compared to the any other operating system or any other kernel. It is very fast, very secure, very advantage in each field where you are going to compare it. So that's why it is being used in so many applications. Even Google have its own Linux operating system, which is known as Ubuntu, which is only used by the Google inside Google offices. Even your Android mobile kernel is also developed with the help of Linux kernel. At the starting of this computer age, there were only one operating system, which is Unix, and then as time grows, multiple operating system distros comes in market, and then this Ubuntu, Linux, Kali, Fedora, SUSE, and Red Hat, CentOS, Windows, Mac, then all formed with the base kernel like Unix. So Windows also supports for the Linux, as its kernel is based with the some part of the Linux as well. So guys, I hope you got some information about the Linux which might you didn't know before watching this video. So this is all in this video. We'll come with some more information, some more informative videos in next videos. Till the time, just like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Knowledge Modulation. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching.